Today I'm making woodruff cream, a delicious springtime dessert. I found a huge patch of woodruff and grabbed a few handful. If you go foraging, please do so sustainably. For this recipe you'll need 2 handfuls of woodruff, gelatin, a pint of cream, and 200 grams of sugar, or 1 cup of sugar for the Americans. Grab your well-wilted woodruff and give it a wash. Add half a liter or 2 cups of water and place on the hob on medium heat. Allow to simmer for at least 20 minutes. 30 is better. The cream is going back in the fridge until I need it. Now prepare the gelatin by soaking it in water. Follow the instructions on the back of the package, that'll serve you best. Take the woodruff off the hob and run it through a sieve. Stir in the gelatin and wait for it to cool to room temperature. Get the cream and whip it. Whip it good. Add the sugar little by little. If you fancy it, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Once the cream is nicely firm and the gelatin mix is cool, carefully combine the two. Going little by little works best. Use it as an exercise in patience. Portion the cream into glasses or bowls and place in the fridge for at least a few hours, if not overnight. To serve, I like to top it up with a few teaspoonfuls of woodruff syrup for that little extra kick. I'll put a link to my woodruff syrup recipe in the notes below. Now all that's left to do is enjoy. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more, you could subscribe. I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Thanks so much for watching.